Omnicuris, India's largest online CME platform, in collaboration with API, bringing you the accredited latest digital CME on Cognizance of GERD Infections.
Actually, prevalence of GERD in India ranges from 8 to 25%. Peptic stricture of the esophagus, Barrett's esophagus, all the esophageal strictures across board. The commonest ones are the peptic. Peptic strictures are usually simple. Bougie dilators, balloon dilators. This is the red thing is the columnar. What is Barrett's esophagus? Barrett's is less common in our country. Endoscopic diagnosis of Barrett's. To have a proper diagnosis of Barrett's and what is identified, C stands for circumference. Diagnosis of Barrett's, it can cause cancer. What is dysplasia? That even the length of the Barrett's, grade of dysplasia, which patients need EMR, and the most important complication that we are worried about is the stricture.
For more videos, download the Omnicuris app.